Hello and welcome to the first tutorial of the STEINEL CONNECT app. The first step in the provisioning is creating a project. When you go to the app, to Projects, you have the option to press the plus button, create a new project, enter the project name, then you have the option to fill the project with informations, for example the street, the house number of the project, zip code, city, the contact name, who is responsible for this project, a phone number, for example the facility manager, and you can make some notes which are important for the participants of the project. Then you have the option to save the project to the Steinel Cloud. So all data, all information from the last commissioning are saved in the cloud. Creating the project. So now you get a sign that is successfully, and then we have the option to create networks in the project, and this is what I've shown you, or I will show you in the next step, in the next video.